Hey, it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today I want to give you a look at the 2021 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 18 RJB. We'll go ahead and start off right here on the front of the unit. As you can see, it does have a lighted storage space. It is a push button light right here. All you gotta do is push the button. It does have a large lighted and power awning that extends nearly the entire length of the unit. You've got outdoor entertainment, so you've got your outdoor speakers, you've got a TV mount, and cable and satellite hookups. And this is a toy hauler, so it does have the rough tread tires, and it does come with a spare as well. As I mentioned, it is a toy hauler, so you do have the ramp door, which includes the party deck. As you can see, it does have a light to light up the deck, or if you're pulling stuff inside of the unit, you do have a light to guide you. If you wanted to use this as a ramp, all you would have to do is fold the gates in, pin them back out of place, and then pull your pins on the cables and let the ramp door down. Let's take a look inside. So right inside to the right here, you can see is where your sleeping space is. So you do have a single bunk up top. There are lights on the wall. They are push button. And below that, you do have a full bed, or queen. And it has a shelf over there. And there are USB ports and outlets here as well. Here's your bathroom. So you in your bathroom, you do have a toilet along with a shower. There's a sink in the shower as well, and then the bottom basin of the shower is fairly deep, so if you have children, you could really honestly use that as a bathtub for smaller children. Over here is your kitchen. It does have the Contour microwave with, you get some cabinetry up there. You do have a radio. Down here you do have a 2-burner Greystone stovetop and a single basin sink. It does have a sink cover, which offers a little more counter space there. You've got some storage down here as well. And here you have a large Canon 12-volt refrigerator. This will run off of your battery, and it will also keep your food cold as you're driving down the road. At the back of the unit, you do have a storage cabinet along with a 2-person seating area. As you can see, this table will fold down and it velcros to the lip of the seats here and keeps it in place, and you can actually use this as a sleeping space as well. And here's just the view from inside the unit as far as how the party deck looks. And if you do need to pull something inside here, all you do is take these cushions off. There are straps that will strap to the wall to hold the seats up out of place, or out of the way. If you'd like to see this unit or any of the other units we have in our inventory, come check us out, Tri-State RV, Anna, Illinois. Or you can check us out online at www.tristaterv.com.